All right, news from the national capital, and this morning as well, after Diwali brought, choking reality in the NCR, it's no different today for Delhiites, despite assurances. Remember, green crackers, so-called green crackers, failed to make the cut, and Delhi is woken up to a blanket of thick smog once again. The air quality index breached severe levels across several parts of the city, reigniting the annual debate on festivals, firecrackers, and failures in pollution control. 33 of 36 monitoring stations recorded air quality in the very poor to severe zone, and visuals show that Delhi is covered by this blanket of haze, and this is really the start of what is described as the pollution season of the national capital, as the temperatures dip and it gets engulfed in pollution, with the PM 2.5 levels spiking, in fact, in some areas to 675, way beyond any permissible limit. And this, however, has ignited a blame game between the BJP and Aam Aadmi Party regarding the causes of this alarming rise. Now, AAP has accused the Rekha Gupta-led Delhi government of failure to stop pollution in the city. Meanwhile, Delhi's Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa accused the AAP government of Punjab of forcing farmers to burn crop residue to increase pollution levels in the national capital. The Chief Minister has spoken out as well. Let's listen in.
देखिए, पॉल्यूशन के स्तर पे आप सब ने डाटा देखे। पिछले जो सरकारों के दौरान दिवाली वाले दिन का जो डाटा था और अगले दिन का डाटा था, हमारे कार्यकाल में वो डाटा कम हुआ है, बढ़ा नहीं है, कतई नहीं बढ़ा है। तो आप ये कहेंगे इस बार तो आप कह रहे जी पटाखों की परमिशन भी थी, बाकी चीज़ें भी थी, तो भी वो जो गैप है दिवाली से पहले का और दिवाली के बाद वाले दिन का, वो कम हुआ है। तो पॉल्यूशन उस दृष्टि से पहले से कम है। तो ये कुछ नया नहीं है, जो है ये जो चल रहा था उसी पैटर्न पे है, परंतु पहले से कम है, जबकि लोगों ने खूब दीपावली भी मनाई, सारे काम किए।
All right, Delhi Chief Minister, they're playing down the pollution crisis, but let's take a look at this report by Shubhang.
Delhi NCR's air quality has been deteriorating. Well, Delhi's overall AQI stands at 345, which is in the very poor category. Currently, I'm standing at Anand Vihar, showing you the visuals. This is Anand Vihar footover bridge. As you can see, a thin layer of haze has surrounded the Delhi NCR. Well, this is one of the places in Delhi which has maximum footfall because of the RRTS station, railway station, metro station, bus stand, auto stand, and several cars, buses, trucks that passes by on a daily basis. Well, today's current AQI stands at very poor category, though there are two stations, Wazirpur and Punjabi Bagh, which currently stands at severe category, which means they have crossed the 400 mark. Now, showing you the visuals, as you can see that this is Anand Vihar RRTS station. On the parallel side of this is the Anand Vihar railway station, metro station. That is the reason this has the maximum footfall on a daily basis. Now, because the air quality has been deteriorating post Diwali, well, this is the second day after Diwali celebrations, and still people are not following Supreme Court's order, because yesterday, in fact, people were also bursting crackers. Though this year, the Delhi government has been saying that the pollution levels post Diwali are still less than the other years that they have been witnessing. Well, on the other hand, doctors have been saying that because the pollution levels are increasing, people who go out on morning walks should wear N95 masks, and they have also advised patients who have respiratory diseases and also asthmatic patients, and on the other hand, children and older people, they have said that they should avoid going out in early morning hours when there's this hazy layer of pollution in Delhi NCR. Well, on this, the political comments have been intensifying. One side, the Delhi Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa has said that he is reviewing the pollution control measures, and has said that and has also alleged that Aam Aadmi Party is forcefully asking the farmers to in fact burn stubble so that the pollution level in Delhi NCR can in fact rise. On the other hand, Aam Aadmi Party has been saying that the Delhi government themselves have not been prepared for this season, and that is why they have been putting up such allegations. But what we are witnessing is that the next few days, in fact, are very crucial in terms of air pollution.